In order to evaluate this problem using the distributive property, first you have to times 5 by -6 and 5 times 3 by itself. Once you do that, you can times them by each other and get your answer. Once again, to evaluate this problem by using the distributive property, you have to times -5 by 7 and -3 by themselves. Then you can times them together and get your answer. Once again, in order to evaluate this by using the distributive property, you times -6 by 3 and -9 by themselves. Then once again, after you do that, you can times them by each other and get your answer. This one's a little different. What you have to do is change that minus to a plus and then get rid of the negative on the 9. Then do the exact same thing as before. First times -7 by -3 and 9 by themselves. Then times both of those together and get your answer. Let's do one more negative problem. First, make the minus a plus and get rid of the negative on the 3. Then, times 3 by 6 and 3 by themselves. Then times those two together and get your answer. In order to subtract this problem, first what we can do is we can change the subtraction to an addition sign, but then we have to make the -2y and -3 a whole 2y and a whole 3. Then we can combine 2y with 4y and 3 with 3. And that's your answer. In order to do this subtraction problem, first we can change the subtraction to the addition in both of the parentheses. But then turn -3 to a whole 3 and 3 to a -3. Then we can add 4x with -x and -3 with 3. And there's your answer. Once again, to do this subtraction problem, first we can make the negatives in both the parentheses addition and make the -3 a whole 3 and the whole 3 a -3. Then we make that subtraction sign an addition and make -5y a whole 5y and then -3 a whole 3. Then we can add 4y with 5y and 3 with 3. And there's your answer. To do this addition problem, well, you just add -3y with 4y and add 3 with 6. And there's your answer. To do this addition problem, first we change that subtraction sign into an adding sign, make that 4 and -4. Then add -3x with 6x and -4 with -2. And there's your answer.